Alright, back at it. So we're looking at the dollar index. It's a beautiful tag here, especially when you get bigger. You know, if it wants to come down here, definitely be interested. Definitely get a bounce off of this one, but I would really like to see it come up here first. 98.296. This is daily, so it's not like it's gonna get there that quick. It can, but might take a few days. But just checking it daily, and right now, I mean, the stochastics are turning up and heading north, so this definitely looks like a good short up here for dollar index, at least for a reaction. Okay, so that put out there for already short gold, expecting it to go lower, but crude oil already went over it, but I really want to just go over it again real quick daily. It's fine. Okay, so if it wants to get up here, 45.40 potential short, but I think this here it's 42.40. Right now it looks like a definitely good short. It's not quite there yet, but this was what might, who knows, it might even cap up to that in a few hours here when it opens up. We'll see. And then if it fails to break this level, could potentially see it come back all the way down here. If it does, this would be a very, very, very good spot for a long runner. Yeah, so definitely looking at this for crude oil. What else was there? So, crude oil, gasoline, we looked at that. Let's look at platinum, just for the hell of it. There's platinum and there's palladium. Let's see here. This is old metal here. I don't need that. Okay. Okay, we're overbought. Pointing down. Let's see where it's at, where it's been, and what it wants to do. Okay. Yeah. It didn't quite get to this one here. Kind of. So if it didn't get to it quite there, if I had an order here, I would have, I would still have an order here because it can bounce around here like it did here, and then it pushed through it. Doesn't mean it didn't get a reaction off of it though. Initially, this daily candle could have come up here, got a little rejection first, and then pushed through it. I truly believe this could be very possible, and we could break it down to a smaller time frame. Let's look at 111. Oh wait, no, it was at the time it was 1123.6. Okay, let's look at it. This is a few days ago, so let's look at a 18-minute. 11. What was it? I already forgot. 11:23. Let's say 11:23. Okay. Let's see if it got a reaction off 11:23. How many days ago? 3 days ago when it pushed through there. Where was that? I gotta look at the date exactly so we can pinpoint it. Let's see. Let me put a timeline on there so I know what's actually. Time level. Right there on this daily candle. Okay, now let's look at this on the 18-minute. Okay, here it is. 11:23 was. Right. 11:26. Was it 23 or 26? It's 23. Yep, 23. So 23. Oh, 23 is right here. Yeah, it definitely had some resistance here. Very strong, pushed right through it. You know, when you get that, if it really feels strong, let's go higher. Okay, jump on board. You know, easily just, if it's in a squeeze like that, why not? Yeah, nice bounce there. Here comes that neon blue one. It's still in training, but right now it's rubbing up against it on the 18-minute. I look at different time frames. If you want to really get close up to trade like a 3-minute, can get a bit choppy. But well, right now it's at resistance here, but it is looking stronger. Yeah. Let's see, range bound right here gets above it and then drops off. Still learning it. Platinum. What else is good out there? Oh, natural gas. Energy. I haven't looked at that one, so this is totally just. This is a 3-minute. Oh, it's a 3-minute look here. Wow, look at that. All right, but I really like to look at for bigger pivot points. So where is it at on daily? Yeah, you know, if you could have seen this here, this happens all the time. And hanging pennant thing. And this is the magic moving average that picks it up. There's a nice pattern, and notice how it's having a hard time with this because there's a big gap here. Ran up to it, did a tick. This works with every fucking, excuse my language, every freaking thing. Zoom in a little closer here. Here we go. Okay. Tag. Boom. Boom. A little pullback off of this one because it's like, oh, we're going to a big gap here. I don't know if we want to push through that, so pulls back a little bit. No. We're strong. We're going to do this. And now, this is the one we're having a hard time with. If it wants to, you know, just scalp it here, you know, scalp it again, but looks a little stronger. You know, I would still have a runner short, either from, well, not from here because I would have probably taken it off, or it would have gotten stopped out, or a trailing stop would have been hit or something like that. Here, yeah, it could come down to here. I definitely have a buy order following this one here, for sure. Definitely get a bounce because of this gap. And also lines up right now. It lines up with this level here. So I mean, look at any futures. This one's kind of funky how it's playing out. It's no nice real flow through on this one, but there's recognizable patterns here going on, and it's really a matter of just zooming in close and, you know, looking at it from far away and then looking at it closely and just putting sell orders and buy orders if the price is in mid cap, or watching it what it wants to do with a really tight stop, and you're most likely are gonna win. Your chances of winning are much higher than losing. Yeah. Let's look at YM. Same thing as the ES. ES kind of went sideways and then took a dip. This one kind of created a downward channel and didn't quite hit it, but very, very close. And now it's taken off. Let's look at NQ. Well, let's zoom out first on the YM too. Let's see how it comes up to this cluster here. First test after a long run. Can't get through it and falls back down. These are huge profits. If you're picking out some bigger pivot points and just leaving a runner, even with one contract, you're talking thousands of dollars. If not tens of thousands of dollars with the futures. That's why I like them so much. You keep your losses small, but when you do pick out that good pivot point and leave that runner on, 100 points on the S&P, 200 points. I believe this one here is like 300-point run. Okay, well, not on this one. This is YM. I don't follow YM as much. It's basically the same thing, but ES. Okay. So yeah, we hit like 1800 and now we're at 2100. Even if you getting at the top of the range here gets a little worrisome. Your second time getting rejected. Why not just take it off, lock in that profit from 1800 to 2100. That's 300 points on S&P. Each point's $50, so you do the math. 300 times 50. What is that? 15,000? I think $15,000 since February till last month. Just putting that one contract on run and find the right spot and monitoring it, or even moving your stuff up every day. You check it. Okay, yeah, I can move it up a little more. Lock in it, and you're basically locking in every day or every week. You're just locking in a couple grand. It's not that doesn't seem that complicated, but finding a right place to get in, feeling the market, it's a tough thing to do, definitely. No, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. So yeah, I'll probably running out of time here on this one too. So this one out there, and then I'll probably make some more videos maybe next week, or throughout the week whenever I have time. So hey, if anybody watches, I'm cool. Maybe it helps. And if anybody wants me to look at anything, I'd love to do that too. Alright, thanks.